Hi, Ashwin.
Hi.
Welcome back. And if our viewers have just been following this series that we have been producing together, they would have gotten great insight on what's been happening in the market despite the chaos, the volatility, and your uncanny ability to read trends and to pick stocks that somehow defy inflation and the pandemic and the Fed even. So thank you for being here. And I want to pick your brain about something. I think it was a research report that your office sent to me. Very interesting. And I'm going to read. It says the UBS Global Family Office report, right? Says that Asia Pacific family offices had the highest allocation to equities at 37% compared to the US, Latin America, Switzerland, and Europe. Now, over the next 5 years, 41% of Asia Pacific family offices are planning an increase in allocation to developed market fixed income, while 35% are planning increases in emerging market equities following a peak in the US dollar. Now, this is an important point to note. 34% of Asia Pacific family offices are relying more on investment manager selection. Exactly what I was saying. And active management to enhance diversification.
Well, before I proceed, the days of just buying products are over. It's about skill and what you know about the markets. Now, let me give you the meat, Tessie. Asia Pacific family offices are most interested in the technology, healthcare, information and communications, real estate, and rental leasing sectors. Also, investors, please take note. In Asia, family offices still have 51% of their assets in Asia Pacific, including Greater China. So don't write China off. While 64%, listen to this, 64% plan to raise this allocation over the next 5 years. Now, if you click on the link in the description box of this video on TikTok and on YouTube, you can subscribe to our free Algorithm Ideas newsletter, and you can have a list of our algorithm's top selection of stocks as well as ETFs that every family office and investor should own. Now, I'll show you a chart of why I say this. This is a chart of one of the companies in our list. Okay, just look at the revenue growth. It's phenomenal.
Exactly what I said. Despite the pandemic, despite the Fed, despite the volatility, interest rate hikes, etc.
Yes. So look at the revenue. It has climbed from 2015 onwards, now 2023. Just look at the tremendous surge. Okay.
Wow.
So this is the kind of companies that we always look at. That is why we keep on banging the table to say, subscribe to our free algorithm newsletter, because you will be ahead of the market when you have information like this.
Yeah, they haven't got anything to lose if they've been following the series, just like I said.
Yes. And like I said, we're not charging you anything. Okay. Now, let me give you a clue. Right now, as I speak, hedge funds are shorting the US dollar. If you want to know the details, please, I repeat, subscribe to our algorithm newsletter. Now, before I sign off, Jesse, we also have an alternative passive income program that pays you up to 10% per month. You heard it right, 10% per month, which works out to 2.50% per week. Put it simply, a 10,000 US dollar investment can turn into 90,000 US dollars in just 12 months.
For real. I've seen my statements. So I think at the very least, we should just call you and find out more. So how do we call you, Ashwin?
You can reach me at bit.ly/algotrader, which will land you on our WhatsApp page. And you can ask us any questions you want to enlighten yourself.
Thank you so much for today.
Thank you, Tessie.